Om Namah Shivaya, my name is Marc. I'm a Shivananda yoga teacher based in Greenwich, London. Please subscribe to my channel. I will teach you yoga in all situations, even balancing on a wheel. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Namah Shivaya. Thank you for tuning in. I've been asked how I'm getting on my wheel. Little demonstration. I place the wheel on the floor. I'm getting one foot up and the other foot up. And try to center, to keep my body still, palms together and smile. That's it. Same way when I get up, standing, one foot down, up, and then trying to find the balance. Easy. Crow pose, similar. Morning. Om Namah Shivaya, my name is Marc. I'm a Shivananda yoga teacher based in London. Join my classes online and I will show you how to balance on wheel and other gimmicks. Om Shanti. Om Namah Shivaya, my name is Marc. I'm a Shivananda yoga teacher based in London. Please subscribe to my channel. Om Namah Shivaya. My name is Marc. I'm a Shivananda yoga teacher based in London. Join my online tutorials. I will share with you how to balance on a wheel and more other stuff. Hari Om Tat Sat. Om Namah Shivaya. Please join my channel. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. My name is Marc. I'm a Shivananda yoga teacher based in London. Please join my channel. I will share. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Tat Sat. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Hari Om Tat Sat.